So it's Kev again, and today, as usual, we're checking on Nasdaq. So I'm not holding a very huge live stream. I mean, very long one. So today, what I'll be doing, I'll just be analyzing the Nasdaq, and then perhaps we may get some sells here because I'm really seeing a sell. Like for real, I'm seeing a sell. I think we've been buying, and this whole impulsive move. I think this whole impulsive move was, let's say, it was more over. It was more of a protraction to the upside, okay, to take out these liquidities. And if you look at DXY, I really want for DXY to keep going up, like to come up to these levels, okay. So if DXY will be going upwards, that's why I'm anticipating for Nasdaq to be tanking. So I want Nasdaq to go down. So this is the trade that I'm waiting. I've been anticipating for like how long? About 4 hours now. Like, yeah, 4 hours. So I want for price to come up to this point. You see, we have this tiny gap between these two ranges. That's a CB. Okay, so I want to see price just tap into this CB, fill it fully, then tank. Okay, so that's basically my target for today. Okay, that's basically what I want to see. Yeah, that's basically what I want to see. Let's check the 30 minutes. Yeah, that's it. So I want to see price come up to this point, fill it, then leave it. Okay, so I know most people chase that price, that 9:30 a.m. New York price. Let's go to 9:30. Let's see what price did. You can see it's somewhere here. Like it was so volatile. It was like so volatile. Price came up to this point, then it tanked, went and took out this liquidity. Okay. So I want this 9:30, not 9:30, the 8:30. This is the 8. How will I put it? So this is the 8:30 low, and this is the 8 a.m. high. Okay. So I want to see both price be taken out before we can keep going down. Okay. So this is how I want it to see. I want to see it tank up to this, where not tanking. I mean to like dig deep into this order block over here. That's the ultimate goal. Like I'd love to see that, but if it doesn't give me that, I'm good with taking it at the consequent encroachment. Okay, so if it comes to this area, throws, let's say, something like a pin, I will use that pin to go short. Actually, that's what I'll do. Okay, so let me show you how. And yeah, this type of, if I can see that type of a scenario in the market, I'll definitely go in and attack. Okay, so let's go to the 3 minutes and see what the 3 minutes is doing. You can see the 3 minute is basically like consolidating just there. Okay, see it here, it's just consolidating, it's not doing anything, but I believe it's engineering liquidity. It's giving them the illusion that this high is protected, this high is protected. So I'm sure they don't want to see this highs being violated to the upside, and that's exactly what I want. I want to see these highs um being disrespected, sinking it deep into this CB. Okay. Also, the reason why I want a short after we get to this point is because you see the breakout guys. I'm sure the breakout guys are waiting for price to close above this, then they'll continue trading upwards. Okay, so by getting and engaging with this price at this moment here, that will mean one thing: we will have to like um frustrate the sellers first, then give the breakout buyers hope. Now once the buy stops have been activated over here, they'll tank it down. Okay, that's my maths. That's my ICT maths. And how many points are these? Like, let's see. This is around 450 points, and I'm targeting for like 500 points a week. 200 to 250 points to 500 points a week. That's approximately, because it's actually 250 points a week, 50 points each day if it allows, or more if it allows. Yeah, so we already kill GBP USD. Like, man, this was a good catch. A good catch. It gave me 1:4. I didn't hesitate, bro. I didn't hesitate. Let's see, because I entered around this point here. Yeah, so it gave us a 2.4R, and I closed it. Yeah, because I think we're in a range. If you can see, this is a range. We are ranging around this area here, so it was more logical to target this low. That's yesterday's low, because we had taken this high, reacted off this rejection block, came, uh, created that head and shoulder bearish one, then tanked. So I still think we will take out this, what do we call it, this low, even if it's not now. I still think we will take that. So I'd love to see price come to this point first before doing anything else. I'd love to see price come to that area, that point exactly. Yeah, so I'd love to see price come to that area, then reverse once again. So if price gives us something to enter, I'll take shots around this area. Let's see, because so we are done with this. Let's remove this. So if price comes to our area, I'll anticipate for it to come, let's say, around this area. Yeah, that area, and my stop loss above that. That's a good 2.77R. Okay, it's actually 2.5. Yeah, 2.5, 2.5. Yeah, that's a good 2.5R. I'd love to really see it come to that point, like, for real, for real. Oh, best scenario, this area here. Yeah, I'd love to see this happen. So I'd love to see like a short. How many pips? Yo, that's 50 pips. That's clean. That's clean. So if price comes to this area here for GBP USD, it's very logical to say we can keep shorting. Okay, that's what I'd love to see myself. Okay, I'd wait for it to come up to this area, then I'd short this thing. Okay, it doesn't matter how fast it comes to the upside. Okay, so shorts GBP USD and shorts Nasdaq. So that's my base. That's my whole analysis. But I want to see this go up fast. Okay, but not for now, because we are paving way for what? We're paving way for GBP USD and US 100 to short. So we don't want to see this shorting. We want to see this going upwards. Okay, so if it goes upward, how many points are these? For 99, 41, 99. Yeah, 99.41. This is a 0.4% increase in DXY. Okay, or 40 pips in dollar. But I've noticed one thing. Even if dollar doesn't move fast, the other crosses will move. Let's say dollar moves like 20 points upwards. I think GBP USD will move lots of pips. You can see from this point here, all this short here, it was around how many pips was it? Like 50 pips. Yeah, we got out around 50 pips, and that's why I'm hunting this US 100 trade. Okay, because I believe US 100 trade will give us something, because I just want around 250 points from this one. If it doesn't give, we just wait for tomorrow. So that's what I basically I'm basically waiting for we dip to this area, then we go dumping. Okay, yeah, and they are holding it so close. I don't know why they just decided to start holding it. Yo, Nasdaq, come to my entries, bruh. Come to my entry, baby boy. Come to my entry. Right. Yo, I don't want to see you selling from this point. Like, I want you to keep going up to that CB, then we can start shorting, okay? And this Geo, what do we have for you here? Oh, which time frame was that? So it was the 1 hour. So Geo will be waiting for you here in the 1 hour time frame, and we'll be shorting you once again. Okay, we'll be shorting you once again. You have to accept this risk, by the way. Without accepting this risk, it will be very hard for you to like make a breakthrough in this industry. Okay, so you have to like accept these risks. You have to really accept them, because if you don't, you'll have fear, and when you have fear in the market, you know what happens. You get violated, bro. Like, you really get violated, and it's no joke, bro. This is a very big boy game. It's a big boy game, but we're playing the big boy game too, okay?